Let's take a look at number 34. Number 34 deals with solubility. Actually, I'm sorry, not solubility, but vapor pressures. With one of these graphs here, something boils when its vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure. So the temperature at which the vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure, that is our boiling points here. So here in this graph we have, let me unclick that, there we go. On this graph we have listed our atmospheric pressure. So our atmospheric pressure is 101.3 kilopascals. And essentially what we're looking for is, well, depending on what the questions are asking. So letter A, what temperature does CCl4, so that's this line here, we'll color this line, well, black, I guess. And then we'll color the CHCl3, trichloromethane, blue. And then water, we'll highlight that as red. So for letter A, we're just looking at the black line there. We want to know at what temperature does it have a vapor pressure of 60 kilopascals. Well, that's real simple. We just find 60 kilopascals for our vapor pressure, draw a line straight over, and then draw a line straight down. It looks like it's going to be just slightly above 60 or so. So depending on how, yeah, just above 60. I think on my answer key, I put like 57, and that's not right. That's, I think I went the other way. So it looks like maybe just a touch over 60, maybe 61 or so degrees Celsius. What temperature is the normal boiling point of carbon tetrachloride? Well, we said the boiling point occurs when the vapor pressure is equal to the atmospheric pressure, or the pressure in the container, right? And we're just going to draw a line straight down, as straight as we can make it from where our line or curve for carbon tetrachloride intersects our atmospheric pressure. And that's going to be right around 75 degrees or so. So if this were a multiple choice question, you'd have choices that were kind of all over the board, so that it would be very clearly 75 or 74 or 76. If this part of the free response, you know, anything around within 1 or 2 degrees of 75 would be what I'm looking for. And then at what pressure does carbon tetrachloride, I'm sorry, trichloromethane have a boiling point of 30 degrees Celsius? So for this one, what we need to do is go to the CHCl3 and find out what my vapor pressure would be at 30. So we go straight up, and then we find out what the atmospheric pressure would be, and that looks like that's going to be just a little bit above 30. So, and I think I did that backwards on the answer cam, so I don't know what happened to me. So I was really tired this weekend, I guess. Hopefully we don't make that mistake tomorrow on the exam. So, yeah, about 30 or so degrees, maybe slightly more than 30, maybe 32 or so Celsius. And if you remember, that makes sense because when we looked at when we had the vacuum pump here and we boiled water at room temperature, we brought the pressure inside of that vacuum way down, and such that the vapor pressure and the air pressure inside of there for water were equal. The water started to boil. And that's how we do these problems. That's how we interpret these graphs.